chickens and eat up your lambs. We're leaving the city, we're leaving no man. We're walking through water like split.
Shalom wise beings, listen up. Did you know that seaweed has 92 of the minerals that our body needs? Check out this video. I'm making this for my adon.
So what I like to do after the water is filled up to the top over the seaweed, I like to really rinse it, kind of loosen it up so I can get some of this sand off. So here it is again. I'm just going to do the same thing.
So after the seaweed has been soaking for about 3 days, this is what it's going to look like after it's been soaking in the limes as well.
So we have it right here, and it's sitting before, after.
So this is the seaweed after 3 days. As you can see, it's very thick. The water has really soaked inside of this. I have some key limes in here so that it can get rid of that oceany taste. Key limes are also alkaline, so it did help. This is soaking in alkaline water as well. So this is the seaweed that I'm using, and you can check out my links below. I also have a sister that sells this if you're local.
Fuji water that has just been soaking in. I've been exchanging the water over the couple of days. So here's the remainder of it. It has some of the seeds in here, and I'm not going to scoop out this last little bit. And I have this. So I'm about to grind this up in my NutriBullet, and we'll see how it turns from there.
Shalom, shalom, wise beings. Toda for watching. So this is what I have here. And you can take like some berries or mangoes and you can mix it up in the drink if you want to kind of get rid of the taste. I take it straight, and my husband likes to take it straight with some water, and the children like to eat it with mangoes or cherries. So shalom, Toda for watching, and also again there's a link below. My sister sells this. Shalom, shalom.